Guys, welcome to today's video. I'm here at Brisbane Jamboree for day one. We've got all the rotors here. We've got Monster, we've got JBR, we've got mazda 20B. There's also a billet by pack little orange ute there. So you guys are about to see all the best action of day one. What's the fastest he's run in this car so far?
6:59 at 2:09. But mile per hour, I've been 2:10, my best.
Tell me about the motor and the gearbox. What's it running?
20B, billet by pack, turbo 400. Ours does the box. Obviously, pack performance to the rest of our work. Yeah, man, pretty simple setup. It works. But no, we're there. We're getting there. We can better the 650 a lot more, but again, everything needs to work together. So we're chipping out of the way slowly.
Nice, bro.
See you, mate. Thank you very much.
Yeah, monster built tough. Hey, we're gonna get out the road. 8-1 at 183, man.
Okay, Nas, what's going on here, man?
Pat just PB'd. 8-1 at 183 mile an hour. We had a bit of a bog on the start, man, but a 1.466 60 foot, and we still went 183 mile an hour with an 8-1. That's good on him, man. That's good.
Okay, tell me quickly about the motor. 13B.
13B, semi PP Bridgeport. We run a GTX 55 Garrett, Fuel Tech computer, Liberty manual box. Yeah, it's a wild car to drive, man. The guy is doing absolutely awesome. I don't know if people understand how hairy a manual car with over 1300 horsepower is to drive. The thing is absolutely crazy. And if you've got to give it a hard time because it's giving you a hard time.
Can we see a 7 out of it?
Oh, 100%. We're going for it. We've just got a few teething issues with setup. It's a brand new car, man. A few teething issues with the suspension setup and getting it out of the hole without bogging. And also Pat is like learning, man. It's a huge learning curve for him. The guy's come from running 9s in an automatic car to running 8s in a manual car. Like, testament to him. He's doing well. I reckon by the end of the weekend, God willing, we'll crack a 7. Man.
Just talk everyone through.
Yeah. So we've a good feature on the Fuel Tech. It's got burnout mode, so we can limit the RPM that it gets, the boost that it sees, ignition cut, everything that it's doing. We can limit that through that drag mode. So we click drag mode, and this is what we're seeing here. This line, he's in drag mode, and it's just holding it. See that? It's holding as we go along. If we go to, he's holding the TPS, so the throttle's at 100%, and we're not going 19 pound, 20 pound, and that's what we're asking it to do. We're asking the computer not to let us go over 9,300 RPM or 20 pound of boost, because it's frying the tires. We don't want to go like 11,000 RPM and 40 pound of boost in a burnout, because we're going to hurt the engine doing that. We don't want to do that. So that drag mode stops that from happening.
Well, I'm now covered in methanol, so that was awesome, man.
That's how easy it is.
Thanks so much, bro.
Thanks so much.
Guys, thanks heaps for watching the video. Hopefully tomorrow I can bring you a little bit more action for Jamboree Day 2.